College kids, do your ham sandwiches suck? If so, let me show you how to turn this into this. Hi, and welcome to Quick College Cooking with me, Kevin, and guess what? Moms, today I'm actually going to teach your kids to take this piece of cardboard and turn it into something spectacular even you're going to love. And we've got 3 ways to do it, including taking this guy and turning it into something you will enjoy eating. And this week we are representing UCF. Great school, one of my kids goes there. And if you guys want me to represent your school with a t-shirt, let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, let's get into it. Now the first thing you're gonna wanna do is up your game on your bread. Bread is key and it is the cornerstone of a good ham sandwich, or well, any sandwich as a matter of fact. You've got a basic Hoagie Roll, which is fantastic. You've got artisan style bread, majorly good, and also French style hamburger buns. This is more gooder, I'm here to tell you, fantastic. So option number 1 is the Hoagie Roll. Now this thing comes lightly toasted already, so you don't have to toast it. The inside's usually pretty soft, you're good to go. But let's get into the onions. Basic red or white onion. The trick is how you cut it. So what you're gonna do, cut off the end, and you're gonna slice it straight down the middle. Put that off to the side. Now, when you peel it, you gotta get down to where it's not rubbery. This part right here, it's like rubber. Sometimes the second layer is the same way. All you gotta do is feel it and you will know. Clean as you go, you know my saying, got a garbage can right here. Your workspace gotta stay clean. Now, when you're doing this for sandwiches, what you want is cut a little bit off to the side. You can save that and you can cook with it later. But you want this to be a little bit bigger, so all you're gonna do is cut it about that thick. For your sandwich, you got 1, 2 tomatoes. What you wanna do is cut off this first part. Now don't throw this away because there's still a lot of tomato there to be used. So just set it off to the side and you're gonna cut 2 big rings. Pepper, dust a little bit, a little garlic powder, a little salt. Looking good. Grab a little plate. Let's take these guys, put them over here. Clean as you go. Let's bring our pan, turn back the heat, put this on about medium to medium high. You're gonna put in some olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Let that move around the pan. When this gets hot enough, you're just gonna drop your onions right there. Now you notice I only season one side because we're gonna add more seasonings to the sandwich later. You don't wanna overdo it. You can season both sides if you want, if you really like salt, pepper, garlic. I'm all for it. Okay, these don't take long, about a minute each side. You're just trying to get a little bit of cooking on them. But let's get into the ham mixture. Okay, grab your ham, drop 1, 2, right there. Now you want this lightly cooked. You're gonna brown it on each side for about 2-ish minutes. These little tweezers, fantastic. Amazon, you get a set of 6, 10, 15 bucks. Flip your ham. Let it cook on that side. Now while that's cooking, get your cheese ready. Again, any style you want. Sliced cheese is better than shredded cheese because shredded cheese will go everywhere. Put your cheese right on top. Let that melt just a touch. When this starts getting a little brown, all you're gonna do, kind of use this guy, lift it up, put it right on top of that one, and you're good to go. I'm just gonna turn my heat off and put this off to the side. Okay, now let's cut this roll. You don't wanna cut it all the way, you just wanna be able to open it up. A little mayo. A little Dijon Mustard. Dijon Mustard strong, so just a little bit. Bring back our salt, pepper, just a touch, and a little garlic powder. Just throw it on there. Okay, let's come back to our ham. Take this guy and just chop it right in half. This is a hoagie roll, it's gotta fit. So you put 1, 2 slices right there. Come back to your tomatoes. 1. Ooh, look at that, 2. Onions, just spread them across. Just like that. Avocado, love it. Goes a long way, it's good for you. Chop it right in half. Thinly slice it. Just like that. What makes peeling this a little bit easier is if you just take it, chop off one end, chop off another, put those off to the side. Let's flip it, grab this spoon, and you just lightly scoop it out. Now with an avocado, sometimes it shreds, like I said, you just gotta check the sides, peel off some of the skin. Okay, let's put that there. Take your avocado, flip it, and with your hand, just put the amount you want on there. Sometimes you don't need the whole thing. All right, let's bring this back over here. You got your lettuce. Wash this. This is already washed. What you want to do is take the ends, chop them off. They're bitter. And this is what I'll do. So I'll take it, I'll smash it down just a bit to break it there. And if it's too big like this, all you got to do is just cut it straight down the middle. You got 2 pieces, 1, 2. Close this up. And there you go. This doesn't suck. Option 2. Now this one takes a little bit more work, but I'm here to tell you it is worth it, but it's still quick. You're gonna take your ham. This one's gonna take about 3 slices. You're just gonna slice it up into little squares. All right. Now then separate it just a touch. Just take your onion and score it. One, 2, 3. There you go. Okay, put your onion off to the side. Let's move him right about there. Tomatoes. Cut lengthwise. 2. Put one on top of the other and just dice it up. And that's it. All right, let's bring back our pan. Now, since we're going to be sauteing similar stuff, you don't need to clean your pan. Think about that as you're cooking other things. Unless it's going to really change the taste, this is seasoned, so don't touch it. Use it. All right, you want medium heat? Okay, when you hear that, you're ready to go. You just take your whole mixture and you just drop it straight in. This is gonna take about 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes. Bring back some salt, some pepper, a little garlic powder. My mom had a saying is you season to taste and cook until done. Just kind of flip it around in your pan. Alrighty. Now, while we're letting this cook down, you want to heat this up, but not a lot. Toast it for about 2 minutes. Okay, when you see the tomatoes start to lose their structure, kind of lose their form like this, turn it off. You're going to take a little mayonnaise. This is about a tablespoon. Dijon mustard, you're going to put about a shot. And as it's cooling down, you just mix it all together. Okay, we're going to pull our bread out. Lightly toasted French hamburger bun. It is so much more gooder than the regular hamburger buns. The regular buns that you buy for your basic burger have a lot of sugar in them and the flour is a little different. Don't know the whole process, but when you bite into this, you will notice a difference. So let's cut this puppy open. Woo! Okay. You're gonna take this guy and just layer it right there. Oh, mama, look at that. Save this for later. Your cheese, put that right on top like that. It'll start to melt in. There's one guy right there on top. Take your strips, put them right there. And on this one, we're gonna cut it one more time. 1, 2, I'm gonna let this guy. 3, right there. And there you go. It is messy, but it is so good. Okay, option 3. What if you don't have the bread, you don't have maybe some of the other things like avocados and tomatoes or onions, and you're just stuck with this? So what do? I have the solution for you, don't worry. Okay, first, a little butter, actually a lot of butter. You're gonna hit each side pretty generously. Now go ahead and flip it. Hit your other side. I sprinkle a little garlic powder right on top. Flip it over, hit it again. Dried oregano, about it. There you go, that's it. Put this back over here. All right. Medium heat. Okay, you let that warm up. You're gonna just drop that straight in. And then we're gonna take another piece of cheese, drop that on top. This is called a food press, a food iron, a press, something. You're gonna want something heavy with weight to push down on this so that bottom sears. But you may, hey, Kev, I don't have this. Well, you can use something else. Use the bottom of another pot. Use the bottom of another pan. You just press it just like that. About 2-3 minutes, that's it. Now, the top part will stick to this if the cheese hasn't melted enough. So we'll just have to play it by ear. Okay, we lift up. Yep, stuck a little bit. All you gotta do is just separate it, flip it. This was 1 minute. Hit it again. Press down. You're just making goodness here. Then turn off your heat. Ooh, look at that. We're good to go. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3. So you got 3 fantastic ways to take a regular ham sandwich that is not so good and turn it into something amazing, which really doesn't take that much more time. So if you want to find out about more quick recipes as you do in your college life to make your life easier, hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and you'll get new recipes every week to make your college life a lot easier. Tell you what, I'm going for this guy right here. Whoa. There ain't nothing like a good grilled cheese.